You simply loosen one set screw, leave the other set screw tight, so when you push the other level back in there, and we're not changing the levels, we're only changing the lens over the top of the level. You may have to take something to pull this up out of here. And you just simply remove that. And now when you put this level in, you tilt it in there. And this is backwards. We really want this facing the outside of the lacer. It makes it easier to read that way. So we put it in and tighten the set screw back up. This way you won't need make a huge adjustment when you calibrate these levels, because they will have to be recalibrated. That's how you change the level lens.